Hi all, in this video we'll see how to easily control WS2812B RGB LEDs using ESP8266. Here we will use WLED as a software and no need of any coding. We will need to download ESP Flasher and WLED applications and the links are in the description. You can download it from there. These are the downloaded applications. Let us flash the WLED to ESP board. I'm using breadboard for ease of use. Connect ESP board to laptop using an USB micro cable. Launch the ESP Home Flasher software by double clicking. Now we can see the COM port is listed in serial port. Select the serial port, here it is COM5, and browse and select the WLED bin file. Then we are ready to flash. Click on the flash button. Now the flashing is being done. You can notice the blue LED blinking in the ESP board. Once the flashing is completed, we need to press the RST button on ESP board just to hard reset or to save the WLED software. Now the WLED is flashed to ESP board. Let us connect to WLED through ESP board's Wi-Fi. The default password is WLED1234. Letters in small. Once connected, it will launch the WLED portal. Once we are in the portal, connect the WLED with our Wi-Fi network. So for that, enter the Wi-Fi network ID and password. Now we can name the WLED portal as we wish. I am naming it as WLED. Now click on Save and Connect. Once saved, we can connect back to our Wi-Fi network. Now I am opening WLED portal using the name WLED which we have named. The URL would be wled.local. We can see the portal now. The next step is to connect the ESP board with the WS2812 LEDs. The connections are simple. The LED's positive wire will be connected to VCC pin of ESP board and the ground wire will be connected to ground pin. The data pin will be connected to pin number 4 of ESP board. Here I am using very less LEDs, hence I am using the power from ESP board itself. If we need to use more LEDs, then the external power supply will be required. Otherwise, we will burn the ESP board. Let's connect the USB cable. Now we can see the LEDs are on. We can see many options in WLED portal through which we can control our RGB LED strip. We can control the number of LEDs and we can make the segments as well. Now let us see how we can control them using mobile phone. Download and install the WLED application. We need to make sure the mobile is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and when we open the application we see the button Discover Lights. When we click on that, it will search for the WLED. Now we found the WLED and click on the check mark. So the WLED is connected now. All the options are similar to WLED portal. From mobile application we can control the LED strip. This WLED has many effects and they are pretty good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.